Hello friends. In this session, we will discuss ls command in detail. Ls command you can use to display a list of files and directories. It is one of the most frequently used command in Linux. Let's jump to the practical and see how we can use it. So, here I am on my Linux terminal. We will run first command, that is ls without any option. It displays a list of files and directories which are present in the current directory. Let's run one more command. ls, and this time we will use the option -a, which is called all. If you see, it shows a few more files which we were not able to see when we use only ls command without any option. It displays all the files, which starts with dot, and these files are hidden files. So ls command with -a option will list hidden files. From here, it is difficult to identify which are the files and which are the directories when you are using Linux for the first time. But yes, once you are used to the OS, you can easily understand by this color code. In case, if you have a problem in identifying, you can use capital F with ls command. ls-a and capital F. When you use this option, it will add trailing slash at the end of each directory. So, these are all the directories which are having trailing slash at end. Now want to display the list of files and directories, which are present in the pictures directory. In that case, first we have to use the cd pictures command and then, we need to use ls command. Correct? But, we want to display the list of files in pictures directory without changing the current directory. In that case, we can use command ls space pictures. Great, it has displayed all the files in the pictures directory. This time, I will use one more option with ls command, that is -l. Here L means long listing. Output is different than previous. It displays complete details about the file or directory. First column displays the permissions of the file owner, group, and other users. This shows the owner of the file. This is the group of file. This shows file size in bytes. This shows when the file was last modified, so displays date, and the last column displays file name. Here it is difficult to read file size. It will be easy for me to understand if file size shows in KB, MB, or GB. That means in human readable format. For that, we can use one more option, ls-l, and we will give h and directory name as pictures. H means human readable format. It shows file size in KB and MB. Very useful option. Consider, you have thousands of files inside the pictures directory, and you want to display files in descending order, so that file which is using high disk space will be displayed on top, and you get the complete idea which file is using high disk space. To display that, we can use capital S. So let me repeat the above command and use the capital S option. ls-lsh in pictures. Now it displays the file in descending order. Linux.png file has size 2.5 megabytes, which is high compared to all other files, and the last file docker.png is only 16 kilobytes, which is lower in size compared to all files, so it displayed last. So, that's it for this session. We have discussed all the important options, which is really useful while you are working in industry. Even here I have mentioned a list of all the commands, which we have run in this session. Just go ahead and practice it. Friends, if you do appreciate the content I bring, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Your appreciation is my reward. Thank you.